Azra is a luxurious oriental fragrance that opens with a vibrant and invigorating blend of fresh citrusy bergamot, crisp and juicy apple, and exotic tropical pineapple. This lively introduction seamlessly transitions into a sophisticated heart where the rich and opulent scent of jasmine is complemented by the aromatic slightly herbal nuances of lavender and the earthy slightly sweet depth of patchouli. The base is luxurious and enduring, featuring the warm resinous richness of amber, the soft sensual smoothness of musk, the sweet creamy comfort of vanilla, and the creamy woody elegance of sandalwood. Together these notes create a fragrance that is both dynamic and refined, offering a harmonious balance of freshness, warmth, and sophistication. Performance elements for Azra. Longevity. Azra is known for its excellent longevity, lasting between 8 to 12 hours or more. The rich base notes of amber, musk, and vanilla contribute to its long-lasting scent, making it ideal for extended wear throughout the day or night. Sillage. The fragrance has a moderate to strong sillage, projecting well enough to ensure it's noticeable without being overpowering. The opulent blend of notes creates a sophisticated scent trail that lingers pleasantly. Season. Best suited for fall and winter, Azra's rich, warm, and exotic composition is perfect for cooler weather. Its deep, comforting notes are ideal for the colder months when the fragrance can be fully appreciated. Occasion. Azra is ideal for evening wear, special occasion, and formal events. Its luxurious and captivating scent makes it a great choice for occasion where a strong, elegant presence is desired. Type. Azra falls into the Oriental category, characterized by its rich, warm, and exotic blend of fruity, floral, and woody notes. Style. The fragrance exudes a luxurious, sophisticated, and opulent style, making it perfect for those who enjoy deep and complex scents. Mood. Azra creates a mood of elegance, confidence, and warmth. Its rich and exotic notes evoke a sense of sophistication and allure, enhancing the wearer's presence with a captivating and memorable fragrance. Al Wahid brand offers a quality roll-on attar at a very affordable price, providing a pleasant and soothing fragrance suitable for regular or party use, and is a great product to awaken positive vibes and enhance your mood. You can use it as a pocket roll-on attar. Apply 0.5 ml per use for best results. Do not apply on the body, for apparel use only. And do not consume odoriferous substances. All ingredients listed are synthetic aroma chemicals used to create the fragrance notes. Thank you for watching. We hope you found this information useful. Please share your valuable feedback in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.